last video I simplified the integration by parts for this thing. I didn't do integration for this thing. So let's do integration of this. Okay. So let me copy this dude over here. So this minus and minus they cancel. So therefore they are plus. So I'm not gonna take the minus out. So therefore we put it over here, and so this is 3, and where's my equation? We have a maybe I should take all this. Yeah, that's good enough. Uh, um, so yeah. So this portion is this. Okay. Uh, then this portion, let's do over here. It's just very simple. Okay. It's just a e minus jk 2 pi t naught t over minus jk 2 pi t naught, and okay, so this thing we already integrated, so we put it in terms of, as I said earlier, the intervals is t naught 0 to t naught, which is so it's over here to here. It's one period lah, okay, as the formula suggests. Okay, 1 over t naught. Okay, so let's sub in the stuffs. Okay, let's sub in the stuffs. Maybe I should, zoom in a little. Okay, fine. So let's sub in the stuff. Maybe sub in the t naught and 0 into t, and therefore our ck, maybe I should write smaller, 1 over t naught a, okay, t naught, okay, this is t over here, t naught e minus jk 2 pi t naught, and then t is t naught again, then t naught e minus jk 2 pi t naught plus we'll just sub in the same thing. Okay, sub in t as t naught, so we have a e minus jk 2 pi t naught 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 not t naught t naught t naught t naught t naught t naught t naught. Anyway, so okay, so this is t naught, this jk. You can just skip this portion. I just writing. Okay, no, you skip. Okay, so it's here. So I successfully sub in all the t naught, and then now we minus away all the zeros. So when you sub in 0 over here, the whole e to the power 0 is just 1 now, right? So instead of writing the whole chunk, I just write 1. I'm just write, at multiplied by 1. And then t naught, e minus jk 2 pi over t naught. And then we have plus. Are we having plus or are we having minus? I think we need to have it minus, right? Some portion needs to be minus. I think this portion needs to be minus. I'm missing something, that's why okay, give me a minute. Okay, a huge chunk of mistake. Damn, this is really seriously, damn it. Okay, it will be minus because you have to bring it up here. I didn't see it. Therefore, this is minus. Okay, this is minus. Okay, maybe I should copy it, should be minus, and then since we know that when you sub in t is 0, this whole thing becomes 0, okay? Maybe I just write smaller. Yeah. Lucky I do this video, if not in the future, I'm gonna die, you know. Okay, you're gonna die in the future, okay? You're the future looking at it. Okay, anyway, so, where is it? Okay, so I just sub in the 0 over here, which clear away the whole e. So we left with, a t naught minus jk 2 pi t naught square. Okay, and then minus, this is 0 also, so we have a also, jk 2 pi t naught. So now you see, let's take a look. Okay, so maybe I just label this so you can understand. This is t is equals to t naught, and this is t is equals to 0, and then okay, so we can see that this portion, okay, is same as already died, zero, so never mind, so just leave it here. So this portion is the same as this portion. Okay, sorry, no, haven't yet. Okay, so the next step, use Euler formula to further simplify, the equation. Okay, so where the hell is the Euler formula? So it's over here. Okay, so let's paste it. Apparently I just need this. Okay, I just need this. So so what is it? So as you can see that this is t naught and this is t naught, so we cancel out. So okay, here I need this, not that. So we can see that e minus jk 2 pi, right? So t naught cancel, t naught cancel, t naught cancel. Okay, so that's left with it. Okay, never mind. So we have this over here. So apparently we can see that e minus jk 2 pi. Yeah. Therefore, to simplify this, e minus j theta is equals to e minus j 2 pi. Okay. Since we sub in the theta equals to 2 pi, this is j. Okay, this is j. Damn it. J 2 pi is equals to cosine 2 pi minus j sine 2 pi. Okay, and then we have jk. Jk 2 pi equals to this. Okay, so jk pi, when sub in jk minus j2 pi, you get this, right? And then exponential rate is just k, okay? So when in cosine 2 pi, you just do, this one will become 1, and this one will become 0, and therefore 1k is equals to 1. Any even or odd numbers is just, 1. Okay? So therefore, let's sub in, therefore, sub in this e minus jk 2 pi equals to 1 into the equation. I no need to highlight. So therefore, let's hit back to the 7. So we have, okay, so this portion is e minus jk 2 pi, right? So you become, maybe I can copy this whole chunk, then that will be easier to do, right? So this is, okay. So this whole thing will become 1, 1, and 1. Aha, so it's much clearer already, right? So as you can see, so this, maybe I should write down this step. How do I write? Reorganize the formula after substitute e minus jk 2 pi equals to 1. We know that this portion is equals to this portion. So this minus this, okay, is equals to 0. And minus minus, so minus minus equals to plus, right? So it will also play out, because this is the same as this already, you can see. So therefore we are only left with this dude over here. Therefore, we have 1 over t naught a t naught e minus jk 2 pi t naught. I mean, the bracket should be like, longer. And then, since this is the t naught, we can cancel. And we are left with 1 over t naught a e minus jk 2 pi t naught. And we will have a t naught e minus jk 2 pi over t naught. Okay, so this is the final form. Okay, therefore ck is equals to a t naught e minus jk 2 pi t naught. So am I right? I think I'm there. AJK2 pi. Serious? Hold on, give me a moment. Okay, it's like a 咕咕叫了, right? So when I integrate, right? I divide. I shouldn't divide the e also, It's not e, okay? So pause the video. I will just do something with it. So after clearing out all the rubbish, okay? After clearing out the rubbish, also this one, all the e's that supposedly not to be there, we have this. And then we can also further simplify by cancelling out the t naught. Okay, maybe I should rewrite this thing so it'll be much clearer. And I think you can already see the trend already, right? And apparently this is pretty much troublesome. It should be positive there. jk 2 pi t naught cancel. We have a jk 2 pi. Maybe I should pause the video again. Yeah, so from here you can see that when I do the integration by parts, I already cancel out all the negative. So when I bring it up just now, I see that this is positive, right? This whole thing is already positive. And when I write, I don't know why I put in the negative. Okay, so let's remove all the negative. Okay, this is seriously irritating. And I believe this is all negative. Positive. Whatever. Anyway, this one will be cancelled out. So this does not make any sense at all. Okay. So when I cancel all this stuff, we will not have any negative. So this is our final answer. Okay, for CK only. Okay, when I do so long. So let's later. I'll just end this video. Next video I'll just continue and show you the last video for this question.